How to split transactions in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or go to the Mint website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, head to the Transactions tab from the menu. Find the transaction you want to split. This could be a grocery trip, a dinner, or any purchase that covers more than one category. Click on the transactions to open the details. You will see an option to split the transaction. Click on it. Now, enter the amounts for each part of the split and assign the correct category for each amount. For example, if you spend $50 on groceries and $20 on household supplies in one transaction, you can split those amounts and categorize them accordingly. After entering all the splits and categories, click Save to apply the changes. Mint will now track these split amounts separately in their assigned categories, helping you keep your budget precise and detailed. And that's it. Now you know how to split transactions in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.